Today we are playing another event with 14 creatures. Yeah, as you can see, we're battling for a dumb island. So, we shall begin. Are you ready, guys? You ready? You ready, little creatures?
My bread nerves are really nervous right now.
Too bad. If you guys said no, we're still going anyway. Let's go. Ah, there you are.
Whoa.
Hey guys, welcome. Guys, welcome. Welcome.
Hi.
Okay, everyone, no, follow me. Stop running. Stop running. Get back here. Okay, everyone, come here. Before we start,
Alright.
come here. Dude, stop running away, or I'm gonna just literally kick you out instantly. Instant elimination. Look, we have some tokens.
Down for you, Mark.
We have the tokens here.
Win tokens. Remove half of your vote.
Hush.
Cannot be used in merge.
Win tokens remove half your votes, and it cannot be used in merge. Rejoin tokens. It's only for the team captains, which they get 1. And curse tokens doubles a player's votes. So yeah, that's it. Wait, lightning, can you move? Yeah, see, it can only be used during before merge. Shall we begin your first challenge, creatures, to battle for this island? Want to begin your first challenge? That's scary.
Bro.
Let's begin our first challenge. Last 2 standing win. Team captain. Oh gosh. Cam and a few people have fallen. Oh! Chris is failing miserably as he finally came back. Uh-oh. Son, you have to go. You have to go, son. You have to go. Who's gonna be team captain? Oh. Brett is killing it right now. Will Carson make it?
I'm getting combo here.
Oh, crap. Oh, and Carson has fallen. And he's gone. Brett and Story are the team captains, so they picked teams. Let me screenshot the teams. Wait, guys, everyone, spread out on your map. So, dude.
And Monkey, can you please?
Okay, let me see. This should be everyone. Alright, nice. Welcome to the obstacle course. So, as long as you just don't fall off, you'll be safe. But if you fall off, you'll have to wait a little while. So, begin in 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh my god.
The first person to make it will get a win token. And, the first team to make it wins.
Here, I need my...
Oh yeah, you have a rejoin token. Look at them all go. They're climbing the rock wall. Banana's going. So is the newborn. Nearly there. Oh. Find a needle in a haystack. Everyone has made it. Banana is first! Banana is first on his team. He gets a win token.
Wait, where's the hate?
Or
Stick.
a curse token.
Where is it?
Banana, want a curse or a win token?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Oh, Chris. Wait, Chris is on green team. Red team wins! The cake this time is a Bloxy Cola. If you're safe, you'll get some cake. Shut it! Endless overrun. Check this thing again. Okay. Endless overrun, curse, monkey, banana, and bread. You guys all get cake. No, Chris, no, you don't get cake. Chris, no, you didn't get cake. No, guys, if you got cake, jump off. Chris, you don't get any. Banana jump off. Oh, forget bread. Newborn with only 1 vote, you get cake. Chris, with the majority of the votes, you are out. Stand on the X. Stand on the X, Chris. Goodbye. And Chris is officially out. First winner, first out. Isn't that crazy? Alright, so your next challenge is to cross the gorge. Guys, your next challenge is to cross the gorge. Go. Let's see it. Oh, there goes that team. Oh, and there goes that team. Oh, and there goes that team. Wow. So, cross the ropes. Newborn, you got this. Go, Newborn. The Newborn's got this. He's got this in the bag. Bread, meanwhile, is still on. Wait a minute. Oh, and Newborn is gone. Bread. So, we are doing a bridge crossing challenge. You're the last one standing. If you don't win, all teams are up for elimination. So, go. Careful. Be careful. Gosh. Just cross the rope. It's simple. No. Oh, and Bread is out. So sad. Wow. So, alright, everyone. So, no one made it across. Nobody made it across. But Bread was last standing, so red team is up for elimination. So, red team, let's go. But first, we must do team names. We must do team names.
Okay.
We forgot about this.
Banana, I'm sorry I went AFK. I'm sorry.
Alright, so Lightning is dead mice army. Green team, what's your team name? Oh, I guess our team name is It's Okay.
Aw, dang.
Oh, never mind.
I made barbecued ribs, baked beans.
Here's the teams.
Homemade
Alright.
coleslaw,
Where's Cam? Cam and Cam.
and I've got
Alright, red team, you come with me. Green team, you stay there. Stay there, all of you. Okay, so, I received the votes. So, Starry, Cam, Lightning, Carson, and Rod. You guys can all go over there and get cake. No, Sun! No, Sun! Stop, Sun! You're not in! Sun, get back! Sun, with only 1 vote, you're safe. Lancer, you have been eliminated with the majority of votes. Lancer is out. Stand on the X. Stand on the X. Lancer is out. Goodbye. Well, at least that's over. Today's challenge is to find the yellow thing. Alright? So just find it. Go. Go! Go! Green team wins! Cause endless. Endless gets a win token. We have a pizza this time. So, the people without votes are Lightning with 0 votes. You are safe. Carson, you are also safe with no votes. And all of you have a vote. Story, you're safe with 1 vote. Oh wait, you're safe, and you're safe with 1 vote. So are you, son. Meaning, Ra, you're eliminated with 2 votes. So stand here. Son, go get cake, son. Son! Go, you're safe, son. Goodbye, Ra. Boop. And there he goes. Finally, we can begin our next challenge. Alright, so your next challenge is to sword fight. So spread out.
Sword fight. Sword fight.
The last person remaining on either one's team wins.
Oh my god.
Or the last team remaining wins. Banana is chasing down Cam, as Homer is also chasing down him.
I did with many, but like, to be honest, like, if I'm found, then I'm probably gonna die. To be honest, I'm looking mediocre to better.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. The battlefield is going crazy over here.
Yeah.
With the loss of Cam, everyone's just running around. Who would win in such a tense fight like this? Wait.
You gotta be careful not to like.
It doesn't have to be like
Oh, oh! Oh! They're getting ambushed by Banana! And Banana failed miserably. Uh-oh.
Dude, I think we're gonna keep facing our members when they come off.
This is sad.
It's kind of a curse. You literally have a member to come back. It's not really good. Because this is the probably won't. Like, no matter what. Like,
they're just camping there, that's the problem.
maybe, like, we have to wait for more than.
The entire green team is heading towards them. Oh! Oh! Can Lightning, Story, and, Sun make it? Oh no. Oh. Sun is dead.
Well, we're screwed. Well, I hate your team. Your team sucks. You all suck. I hate you all.
Wow. So, instead of eliminating someone today, someone will be rejoining onto your team. Yes. So I'm going to get all 3 of the eliminated contestants over there, excluding Chris because he left, to rejoin. Alright? So, let's begin. You guys have a chance of rejoining, so just go. Beat the obby. Beat the obby. Whoever wins first, rejoins onto red team. Oh wow, it's literally just both of you rejoin onto your team. Don't worry, there is a second rejoin, but they don't know that. Oh wait, there's a wall there, right? Dang it, I shouldn't have left the obby because I accidentally caused that. Hold on. Okay, I fixed it. And I'll have to just... Go, go, go! Ooh, which haystack has the needle in it? Which one? Oh wait, you didn't need it. Lancer wins! Congratulations, Lancer. Your next challenge is to jump all the hurdles, but be careful, cause, it's pretty hard.
I'll watch the show, I know that already.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh wait, I have to activate it. Hold on. Jump the hurdles, everyone. It's pretty easy. See? If you fall off, you lose. Last people standing on your team wins, though.
Does it push you or does it kill you?
It pushes you. See? It pushes you. Don't fall, though, or else you're out.
I
I
know.
like this challenge. I feel like I can actually win it.
Uh-oh.
My Brett nerves are.
Ah!
Oh my gosh.
Lightning almost got pulled away.
I would ride it along with it. Also, if my grandma comes home, then I'm screwed.
Wow, you guys are doing way too good. How?
Because then I would have to go and walk.
Well, my Brett nerves are locked in.
How are you guys doing this good? This makes no sense.
I wonder.
I shouldn't have resorted to this. I knew it was a good choice, though.
What a nice day for a walk.
Has anyone even fallen yet?
No. But you guys will when this next one comes up.
Now, what are you doing? No.
Alright, after this one. Oh! Oh! And Brett is gone! Ready, guys, for the next one?
Oh,
Easy. Whee! Oh! Well, these two are supposed to be eliminated. But... Okay. Okay. This is sad. Green won. Because the curse. Great job, guys. I'm proud of you. Okay, so there's a twist with this elimination. Wait,
the elimination.
Ra is literally eliminated. He's already eliminated. Also, this is the merge is about to begin after this one. So, if you guys would like to use a rejoin token, you can now, or whatever tokens you guys have. Oh wait, the cursed also gets a win token for being on the longest.
Who gets a rejoin token?
No, the cursed got a win token. You have a win token.
Oh, fuck.
So,
Okay, what?
also Lancer has immunity
What? Why?
because he just rejoined. So Lancer has immunity.
No, I was gonna vote him.
Oh, you were gonna vote him. Anyways, all of you sit down. So, use it in a token already.
I used it on Raw. Bring back them.
Okay, so vote. Oh wait, no. B doesn't count. What the? I received the votes. First, Lancer and Ra are safe, so they get cake. Oh wait, it's gone. Dang it! Ra ate all the pizza. Well, no cake today. Lightning is safe with 0 votes. And Story... Wait, no. Oh my god, I keep getting confused. Cam, I meant, is safe with 0 votes. You guys could just jump off. Jump. Cam, go away.
Let us go here.
Cam and Lightning, go away. Jump off. Actually, yeah. Sun, go back. You two, Carson, go back. Oliver, Ra, go over there. Go over here, Ra.
Oliver? You're calling him
Forget
that?
Ra over there. So, Carson is safe with only 1 vote. You're safe.
So who's safe? I mean, who's out?
However, Starry and Sun tied with 2 votes. But it's a double elimination, remember? Meaning Sun and Starry are out. Boop. Oh. And there they go. Now, we have a lot more people than I expected still left over. And all tokens do not exist anymore. Womp womp. So, shall we begin the next challenge, okay? Also, everyone come over here. Everyone over here.
Get rid of the elimination.
So,
I love the points, please.
we are beginning with points.
You are all at the bottom. I'm safe.
If,
No.
but, some of you, don't have points. Hold on.
Give us points based on how much you like us.
No. Alright, guys. So, based on your tokens, you will get points. So, everyone stand here. Stand with me. Everyone over here. Over here. Win tokens equal 30 points. Okay. This is your points as of now. Raw, Cam, Bread, and Monkey are all up for elimination. So, they're currently in the danger zone, actually. They're not up for elimination just yet, because we have to do a challenge. So get ready for your next challenge. Guys, get on one. Get on one of them.
Stavro, how are we gonna, like...
Lightning! Shh! Today, you guys are fighting on the spark bag with Super Balls! Get to it.
We already did...
Super Balls. Fight!
We already did...
Last 3 people standing get 30 points. The last 3 standing get 30 points. Oh. It doesn't seem like Super Balls are working too well. So, how about rocket launchers? Have fun. Oh. Last 3 standing get... Oh. 4 people. And lighting's out. Cam, Ron, and Lancer, you guys all get 30 points. I'm proud of you all. These are your current scores, as seen here. Endless, Aurora, Bread, and Monkey, and Newborn. You guys are up for elimination. So, let's go. Okay, guys, so you have 4 people to vote for, so let me activate it. Boop. This is a double elimination, by the way. So vote either A, B, C, or D. You can vote for Newborn, Endless, Monkey, or Bread. Go, go, go! Click one. Lightning! Lightning won't count. Vote! You have to vote! Your vote doesn't count. I've received the votes. So, Monkey and Endless are safe. Newborn and Bread...
I'm done.
Bread was eliminated with 1 vote, and Newborn was eliminated with the majority. So, goodbye, guys.
What? Why is it a double elimination?
Because we have too many people. Seriously. No. First one to make it gets a curse token. Which lets you double the votes of someone. And you also get to, dude! And you also get to rejoin. 3, 2, 1, go. And now Sun is last. Oh.
No.
Newborn is going.
No, please.
Uh-oh. Haha, you guys have to wait. Just wait for it.
Please.
Where's Can going? Oh! Can is going. Can is in the lead! Even though he never was in this, he never participated, I'm still letting him.
No.
Find a needle in a haystack, guys. You got this, everyone. I believe in you.
Found it.
Starry rejoins! Congratulations, Starry. Everyone else, reset.
Why couldn't I watch it?
All of you reset. Oh, no. These are your current scores. Also, I just love Cam so much, okay? So that's why I gave him some more bonus points.
Why did you get points?
I gave him a few bonus points because he's a cool guy.
It's fine.
Anyways,
He's probably joking.
it's time to begin our next challenge, everyone. Let's go. Come down from your pillars. find some red balls and stand on it. You have to stand on the red ball. If you don't find one, you're out immediately. So stand on a red ball if you find it. Endless Aurora. I saw him find it first. All two of you get off. Actually, fine. Lancer gets this ball, actually, because he keeps saying he did it. And I don't want him crashing out and suing me. So, Endless and Banana, go find it. Go find it, Banana. You too, Monkey. Ra has found a ball. Lightning has one. This is a maroon ball. You have to find a red ball. This is a maroon ball. Starry's safe. This is a maroon ball. As seen here, Starry is being a lazy bum and hasn't found a ball. Oh wait, never mind. Oh, well, Starry, where's your ball? Endless wins. Banana. Goodbye, everyone. Starry. All right. So. Our next challenge will be an obstacle course, and one person gets immunity. So, I'm gonna take you all there in a second. Welcome to your next challenge, okay? The first person to make it, wins. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, yeah, the rejoiners came here, so I had to press that button. You might want to press that button again, so that way it goes back up, so you can make it. And they're off. Oopsie daisies. So,
thank God this happened.
I'm afraid you guys were supposed to press that button, but luckily for you, I will make it faster. Watch this. Boop. Oh, they're going.
Alright. You guys should let me win the obby.
Oh, Endless is going. And you have to find this needle in a haystack. Let's see if you can find it. I couldn't find it. Starry certainly did. Oh!
Wait, I clicked it, but it didn't work.
Homer wins immunity! Welcome to the next elimination. You're all up for elimination. So, shut it! Shut it!
Block him.
Cursed equals A. Endless equals B. And Lancer equals C. Lightning equals D. And Ra equals... Oh wait, no, not F. E. I really just almost messed up that. So here. Here's your key. And I'll just press the little button. Vote. Oh! Also, you're safe. You can have some pizza. Okay, so Lightning is obviously safe with 0 votes. Cursed is also safe with 0 votes. Endless Aurora, however. Hi. Ra is safe with only 1 vote. And Lancer is safe with 1 vote. Oh, wait. Wait, was that right? Yeah, that's right. And
yeah,
you
Lancer had 1 vote.
are eliminated with 3 votes. Stand here. Stand here.
Pizza! Pizza! Pizza!
Goodbye.
Pizza!
Whee! Final 5. Great job. Now, I did not plan.
When do you need the vote?
I didn't plan for there to be 5 people left So, I had a challenge planned. We are going to do the bounce beam rematch. Last 3 remaining are in the grand finale.
I hate auto elimination so much.
Don't worry, I didn't do auto elimination this time. Oh wait, I did that last round. But, oh wait, I am doing auto elimination. Okay, so the last 3 people remaining on the bounce beam will get into the finale. Alright? So everyone, come with me. Alright everyone, you ready? Boop! Lightning, this is your time to redeem yourself after what happened the first time. Actually, guys, I'm just gonna make this wider. I made the beam wider so that way you guys have more space to run around. Papana! Remove it. Oh, wait, right. Alright, go! Go, guys. Uh-oh. Tails gets targeted. Lancer's getting Tails. Oh! Oh! Tails is out. 4 people remain. Woo! Get Lancer! Says Ra. Uh-oh. Lightning remains at the edge, unnoticed, as Lancer gets targeted. 1 more person has to go bye-bye. Why is he jumping? Lightning, come! This is really dramatic. Oh! Who will go out? Will Ra make it to the finale like for the 2nd time? Who will win? Oh. Ra's feeling weak. Lightning stands alone over here while the others fight. And Lancer has fallen. Ra and Monkey and Lightning make it to the finale. GG. So, welcome everyone to the grand finale, and you will all vote for the winner, and they'll all soon make their plea, starting with Monkey. Make your plea. Wait, no voting yet, no voting yet. What's your reasoning to win? I assisted the team a lot, not in this event only. Yes, calling back to World Tour. I strategized with them. Well, is that your plea? I guess that's it. Ra, your turn. What's your plea? Does Ra have anything to say? Okay, that's his plea. And Lightning, what do you have to say? I'd really like to win, lol. I have competed in every event and I always end up failing in pretty upsetting ways. I try my best to lead my team and I try to keep them in game as long as I can. Alright, everyone. Oh, wait, Ra said he likes trains. Oh, wait. I'm sad that many of my team members got out, but what? I'm happy as many as I could got here. Oh, congrats. Alright. Now, stand in front of the person you want to win. 2 votes Starry, 3 votes Lightning, and 1 vote Cam. Lightning has won! For the 2nd time! Wow! Lightning won an event twice! Alright, everyone, come here. Stand in a line in front of Lightning, in front of his gates. Stand in a line in front of Lightning. Stand in line, like right here. Right here, actually, hold on. Yeah, stand in line in front of him. Choose the people you would like to let onto the island. Cam can go in. Cam is in. Bread can go in. Sandy Boygme, aka Starry, can go in. Endless is allowed in.
Pizza!
Adam, aka Rot, is allowed in. Monkey is allowed in. Banana is allowed in.
Banana bread.
And Tails isn't allowed in! Well, everyone is on Dream Island! Enjoy while you can. You don't want to steal Dream Island? I don't know if you were allowed on the island at all. Come here. Oh, come! Come! You can have it right here.
What is that?
Lancer just bought Dream Island.
What? This just didn't even decide to be. Okay.
Lancer just bought Dream Island, everyone.
Help, I'm drowning.
I should have bought
I'm
Dream
drowning.
Island.
I'm drowning.
Get him! Get Lancer! Get him!
Cue the music.
I threw the recovery center into the incinerator just now. You're very annoying, and I'm not sad to see you go. And you...
Oh well.
You just literally did not steal Dream Island. And you kept playing noises!
I can't believe it. Tails didn't get
Whee! Come back here!
That's it.
Come back!
I'm going.
Well, that's the end of this video. We are all dead.